stuff. I've already opened. I was just talking to my mother, so I had to end the call. I'm starting with this RC car that I bought. Yeah, it's a red one. I'll unbox it and see what it needs so we can see it all together. I've been off because I really had a problem. Like, I didn't know it's a crime to post content like recording in public. So yeah, I was told I have to get consent because one of the women that I recorded, like, just resetting stuff, had a problem with it. So yeah, this is the car. Oh my god, I'm so excited even though I'm an adult. Yeah, so I had that problem with content, and yeah, it really changed. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I had that problem and it really changed a lot of things about my business. And yeah, man, like, that's how it goes, I guess. I've got spare tires, then I've got some cones here. I think I'm gonna do it in my room. Yeah, I gotta check what else I have in here. I bought a jumper, Stone Island jumper, just for myself. This is not for selling. I just need something to put on top. Yeah, because I miss this. Even when I go back to uni, I'll need this. Yeah, I just miss this. Yeah, I'll put it here. What could this be? Oh, this is a cap. I'm giving away this cap. So, yeah. I'm also giving away this one. This shoe is a Salmon 4.5. This must be 2.5. Yeah, that's for someone who bought them, an American soldier. Yeah. See, I'll try and send them today before I go for work. But I don't have money. I've been so broke. Yeah, because I've been saving money for uni. So far I've reached, like, I think my savings have reached maybe 2,000, maybe 2,000, oh no, $1,200 maybe. Then I have some masks. I have a surprise for you. Let me do this. This should probably be my thumbnail. No, I'll use this other one. I'll use the Kanye one. Oh, why can't I open this? I'll tell you, this is so funny, but I'll do this. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is MagFlip. Yeah, maybe MagFlip. I'll show you guys soon. This is so interesting. I don't know why it's like this. I don't know how to do it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just lost it. I just lost it. To be honest, I don't know what this is. What? I don't know what this is. I'll just leave it. This is another cap. Oh! I've designed a shirt. I designed this shirt. Oh, if this shirt is impressive, I'm gonna have to design more. This is my first shirt that I got a design and had printed on a shirt. Goodness, guys, I woke up. Oh my god. I'm so happy for this shirt. I think I'm gonna have to do more of these. Like, I want to start putting just random stuff. I stole this design, but I just added this. I had this. Oh, good news, guys. I woke up this morning. This shirt is hard. I am so impressed. This is hard. This is hard. I need to put this on my Instagram. This is hard. Yeah. Sambas. I'm gonna ship them out today to a guy that bought them. Yeah. I just sambas. I'm so overtaken by the shit. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Let me go and ship this out.